Hello for northern Manitoba, where it's freaking cold. And the snow is driving in. Only little particles, but man is it cold here. Day 2 of dock rebuilding or boat launch rebuilding. And as I said, it's bitter cold. Colin's just firmed up this edge along here from the big hole he dug for it's basically the big boat launch that he dug out yesterday. And I've just been doing cleanup of where people park, which is down here. I'm just trying to spread the clay and the mud around so maybe it'll dry a little better and make it a little easier and people won't get their cars won't get covered in it. Hopefully we'll be done by the end of today because that's all the time we budgeted for to help on this. We're volunteering our equipment and our time to do this. So it will get to whatever point we can by end of day. And then Colin will probably want to do another day, but I'm hoping that we'll get the majority of it done, get the equipment home, and then maybe there's some finessing with Susie the skidster, but Herbie the hoe will go home and be safe back in our yard. But it's looking good. It's looking really good. Colin dug it down to like 8 feet. That's why all that mud slash clay slash silt is over there that still has to be cleared away, but we're getting there.